Na-miss mo. Yung vaccine schedule mo, ikaw talaga. As adults, alam naman natin na super busy natin at wala nang time for some things. Minsan, pati na rin ng mga important vaccines. Deserve din naman ng vaccines na magkaroon ng schedule in your calendar. Same way na meron ng meetings, travels, and bebe time. Pero baka sabihin nyo, wait, hindi naman namin alam kung anong vaccines namin. Kaya gumawa kami ng adult vaccine checklist para hindi kayo makalimot. Pwede nyo i-screenshot to. You can visit any Watson store to get your vaccine, or you can go to our vaccination website to schedule your shots. For more information about our available adult vaccines, ask your Watson's pharmacist.